Welcome to Design Guy. Want to create eye-catching sport posters? I'll show you all the Canva tricks you need. Click Create to start your project. In the search bar, type Poster and select the portrait size option from the available templates. Once your poster canvas opens, navigate to the Elements tab in the sidebar. Type Sports in the Elements search box to browse and add sports-themed graphics. Click the Add Photos button to begin uploading your images. This will open a dialog where you can select and add photos from your device. To set this as an image background, first select the image you want to use. Next, right-click and choose Set as Background from the context menu. The image will automatically be applied as your background, updating your project's appearance instantly. Repeat these steps for any additional backgrounds needed. You can add a background to your design by selecting the background option in the sidebar. That completes your simulation. Review the results to analyze your model's performance. Click the Text tool, then type your desired text into the provided box. Once your text is entered, look for the Curve option in the toolbar to apply a curved effect to the text. Adjust the curve slider until you achieve the look you want. After curving the text, select the Merge function to combine the curved text with your background or other design elements. Click and drag the merged text to position it exactly where you need it on your canvas. If you need to modify the text or its position, double-click to edit or simply drag to move it again. Repeat these steps to add additional curved text elements as needed. When finished, save your project to retain all changes. To add another text element, simply duplicate the existing text. Select the current text box, right-click, and choose Duplicate. Move the copied text to your desired position. This method quickly creates additional text fields without manually recreating formatting or properties each time. Enter the value 2026 into the provided field, double-check your entry to ensure accuracy, and proceed to the next step. Next, add sparks to the elements by selecting the spark effect and applying it to your chosen elements. To change the color to white, first select the object or text you want to update. Next, locate the color options, usually found in the Formatting or Properties panel. Click on the current color to open the color picker. Then, choose white from the color palette or enter the hex code #FFFFFF for pure white. Once selected, confirm your choice, and the color will update instantly. This completes changing the color to white. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file format and click Download to save the file to your device. Increase the energy size, enhance the image quality, or select PDF print to save your file. These options help you customize your export and download preferences quickly. You just learned how to design a cool sports poster in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.